Activities 8.12 and 13 are based upon the same code of 8.11. You can check out the coding of 8.11 in my previous video. Activity 8.12 is also the same, just you need to change the subjects and the number of subjects to 2 or 3. Now I am changing the number of subjects to 2. Over here I am changing the number of subjects to 2, and let us see the change in the output. Have a look at the change in the output. Over here, student 1, his first subject and first test. Student 1, his first subject and second test. Student 1, his second subject and the marks of first test. Student 1, his second subject and the marks of his second test. Now comes, so we have considered 2 subjects. In this case, this was subject 1, its average maximum and minimum. This was subject 2, its average maximum and minimum, the average maximum and minimum of the particular student over here, and then the average maximum and minimum of the whole class. Now in activity 8.13, this is also related to the same program, just you need to consider 2 or 3 students. I am considering 2 students. I am making some change in the code. For class size, I am changing it to 2. Let's see the change in program. Okay. Now student 1, his subject 1, test 1. (23), (34). Student 1, his subject 2, test 1, test 2. Student 2, subject 1, his test 1, his test 2. Student 2, his subject 2, test 1, test 2. Now for every student, this is the case of first student and his 2 subjects. This is his first subject and this is his second subject over here, and then the average maximum and minimum of first student. Then comes second student, his subject number 1, his subject number 2 over here, and then comes his subject number 2 over here. This is for the average maximum and minimum of that second student, and then this is the overall average highest and lowest of the whole class according to the pseudocode given in your book. So we have done activities 11, 12 and 13 in this video. Thank you.